All right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is Michelle trying to get me drunk.
No, she just wanted to try a margarita. So it's a margarita in a martini glass with mojito stuff.
Whoa, this is strong.
Really?
I think so.
It's okay if you don't like it.
This is good.
Is it good?
Oh, the sugar is good.
Yay! Oh. Yay! It's kind of a winner, I think.
Hold on, let me try again and I'll tell you for real.
She likes the rim.
Yeah.
Good?
It's a winner.
Woohoo! Yay!
Because it's sweet enough.
I only put a tiny bit of tequila.
Well, that was a lot.
It was like this.
To me, it's a lot, but...
Was this? Oh, I'm going to squish you. Squish. 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 Squish your head. Squish.